Unlocking the colorful mysteries which salt turns water red. Welcome to another fascinating episode of Science Simplified. Today, we delve into vibrant chemistry experiments. Picture this: a clear glass of water, a pinch of salt. Suddenly, the water changes color into a deep, mesmerizing red. But what causes this transition? It's undoubtedly a specific type of salt. But which one? Is it cuprous oxide? Chromic oxide? Or is it cadmium oxide? We'll explore each possibility, breaking down the science behind color reactions. Understanding the role of each salt will make this mystery clear. Join us as we dive into each option, unveiling the secrets behind these captivating color changes. Get ready to expand your scientific knowledge. Stay tuned, because you're about to find out which salt gives water an unforgettable red hue. Welcome to the colorful world of chemistry.